This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, good evening everyone. So yesterday we were talking about abstraction, like how to pass a object to a method, and we also understood when does we use the abstract class and when do we use the interfaces. So now today we shall understand about a new concept. Now you bought a new laptop. You bought a new laptop. Now you have some photos. You have some photos. So what will you do? You will create one folder, photos. Inside that, you will create one more folder. Okay. So now, if you look, we have a photos folder. Inside that photos folder, we have school folder, family folder, office folder, and friends folder. So what does the school folder contains? All the photos related to school. Family folder contains all the photos related to family. Office folder contains all the photos related to office. Friends folder contains all the photos related to our best friend. So now, if at all you want to see photos of any family members, so what will you do? You will open a photos folder and you will go into a families folder and you will find that photo. So now, this each folder we call it as package. Is called as what? Package. Photos is a package. Inside this package, there is one more package called as school. There is one more package called as family, office, and friends. Okay, each package contains related set of files. Each package contains what? Related set of files. Now, okay, I will create one package. Okay, I created one package called as org. Inside that package, I have two packages, QSpiders and JSpiders. Packages are nothing but a folder, guys. Okay, in normal word we call it as a folders, but in industry we call it as packages. So now inside QSpiders, I will create one class called as selenium.java. qtp.java. In JSpiders, I'll create angular.js. Java. So now what does QSpider contains? QSpider contains related set of files. So what does QSpider is having now? Selenium and QTP. What is JSpider having? Angular. Okay. Now someone will ask, what is the path name of Selenium? What is the path name of Selenium? What is the path name of Selenium class? So path name of Selenium class is org dot qspiders. So path name of a class is the name of the package where it is present. In which package you write your class, that will be the path name. Similarly, QTP Angular. So QTP path name is also org.qspiders. What is the path name of Angular? org.jspiders. Okay, so path name is nothing but what? Package name, means in which package the file or the class is present. Now, qualified path. Someone will ask, hey, what is the qualified path of Selenium class? So the qualified path name is nothing but a class name along with the package name. What is the package name? org.qspiders.selenium. Okay. Similarly, if anyone asks, hey, what is the package name of QTP? Or what is the package name of Angular? Fully qualified path name. So what is the fully qualified path name of QTP? It is org.qspiders.qtp. For Angular, it is org.jspiders.angular. So what is meant by a package? Package is the nothing but the folder which contains related set of files. org package contains two things. One is qspiders, one is jspiders. qspider package contains selenium.java and qtp.java. jspider package contains angular.java. Path name means the package name where the class is present. Fully qualified path name means package name along with the class name. Clear? Where do we use them? That you will understand. But right now, do you have any confusion with path name and fully qualified path name? Okay, now we shall see this. Okay. So now we should create a package. So right click, new package. So org dot qspiders. So I'll create one more package, new package org dot jspiders. So now you can see we have two packages. One is jspiders, one is qspiders. I will right click on jspiders package, new class, created one class, qtp selenium class. So you can see the package name here. Angular is in org.jspiders. qtp is in org.qspiders package. Now what I do is I will write one method teaching Angular teaching Selenium. Now what I do inside this jspiders package, I will create one more class called as test A. Till now we were writing all the classes in one file. From today on we will write each class in a different file. Okay. Now let me call teach Angular method. So let us create the object of Angular class. Teach Angular. Let us run this. Yes, teaching Angular. The method is getting called. Now I want to call the method teach QTP method. Let me try to create the object of QTP. QTP. Is it compiling? No, it is not compiling. We have jspiders package, qspiders package, watch. qtp.java. Okay, so test a.java. No, this one. So we created the Angular object, we access the Angular class member. Angular class is present in the same package or different package. So my test is in JSpiders package. Angular is also present in JSpiders package. So we were able to create the Angular object. But QTP is present in the same package or different package. QTP is present in a different package, which is that QSpiders package. So we can't create the QTP object directly without importing. Without importing. Whenever we are trying to create the object of another class which is present outside our package, we need to import. We need to import. When we want to access any class or interface present outside our package, then we need to import that respective class or phase using fully. Okay, when we want to access any class or interface present outside our package, then we need to import that respective class or interface using fully qualified path name. So now we want to use QTP. So what we should do now? We should import QTP. Import, what is the package name? Fully qualified path name of QTP? org.qspiders.qtp. Clear? See, now it is working. Then you can tell teach QTP. Is it compiling now? Yes, teaching QTP. Now what I will do? I want Selenium object. See, it is not compiling. Why? Because we need to import. Why we need to import? Because Selenium class is not present in JSpiders package. Selenium class is present outside my package. Currently, I am in test A. So my package is JSpiders, but Selenium is present in other package, that is QSpiders package. So we need to import it. Selenium. Then we can tell teach Selenium. Clear? Understood everyone? Any doubt when we need to write an import statement? Whenever we are trying to access any class or an interface present outside our package, then we need to have an import statement. Clear everyone? Any confusion or any questions?
So first you created a package, then
Correct,
inside that package we created a class, right?
correct, exactly.
Okay, and we can't create we suppose I created a class outside this package, then I can't use this QTP, QSpider or Java, Selenium.java.
Outside the package means?
Uh, right now you have created class inside
Okay,
org.qspiders.
you want to create
org.qspiders.
like this directly inside the source you are telling.
Yeah.
Okay. So now what is the fully qualified path name of your class now?
So
Package name along with the class name. Package name is not there.
yeah.
So it is only class name.
Mm-hmm.
Now let us come here. Curve C is equals to new curve. So it's not compiling. So what is the fully qualified path name of cow now?
Okay. We have to
Okay.
use input. Mm-hmm.
See, this cow, whatever we are created outside the package, without a package, okay, it's not at all able to recognize where it is or what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
So is the default package wouldn't count as a package name?
Default package means it is not at all a package. It is not at all created.
Okay.
Okay, it's not at all created. I will show you. Wait. See, we have a package called as org. There is no package for cow. Okay,
Hmm.
so inside org we have jspiders and qspiders. Inside jspiders we have Angular, test A and test B. Inside qspiders we have qtp and Selenium. This is navigator view where you can see the things in the folder format. This is package explorer where you see the things in the package format. Whichever the view you want, you can select it. If you want to change the view, go to window, show view, and here you can select. Here you have package explorer, navigator, and whichever in this two, anyone you can select.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, QTP is not working. So what I need to do? Import org dot qspiders dot qtp. Selenium import org dot qspiders dot Selenium. Okay. So now what are we doing? We are importing all the classes present in QSpiders, right? So instead of doing this, what we can do is we can tell star. The star will import all the classes and interfaces present in that package. Okay.
So is there a different name for regular expression in Java?
What type of regular expression you call it?
So like star dot star, then
No, yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you now. If you put a star, package won't get imported. Only classes and interfaces present inside it will get imported. You instead of Q spiders, you can't use star. It won't work.
okay.
Okay, that was your question.
No, like I'm asking that, there are different regular expression symbols in
Mhm.
Visual Basic. So is there any different name for the
No, no,
regular?
no, 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 nothing like that. No,
Okay,
nothing like that.
thank you.
So when we use star, it imports all the classes and interfaces present in that respective package. There might be hundreds of classes and interfaces in that package. All of them gets imported to your respective class. Clear everyone? When do we need to import? When do we need to import? See, we have IO lang util. Java. Java. Okay, so there are multiple packages still. There is AWT package. Okay, there is a IO package, lang package, util package. Okay, lot many packages, SQL package and all. Okay, so now in each package there are multiple files. In each package there are multiple files, and this package is already present in Java library. We need not to create this package. This package is already present. So now what I do, I want to create the object of file. Okay, file f is equals to new file, and I'll give the name txt. See, is it compiling? No. Let us see why. File is a class present in java.io package. I am in the package, it is org.jspiders package. So what I need to do? I need to import. Okay, whenever we want to access any class or a interface present outside our package, first thing we need to do is we need to import. Here, import by giving what? Fully qualified path name. What is meant by fully qualified path name? Class name along with the package name. Clear? Now,
Sorry to interrupt. Did you
no problem.
created this java.io.file package anywhere, or it's just
No, that's what I said. It comes inbuilt in the Java library. We need not to
okay?
create that. It's a
Okay.
inbuilt. It's already in our library.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mhm.
these are inbuilt classes. What we call it as inbuilt classes. Java has thousands of inbuilt classes. Okay, in IO package only there are more than 200, 300 classes. In Lang also, similarly in util also. So now what I need to do, RLS. So RLS is present in util package. So we need to import it. RLS. Is it working now? Now I will try to create the object of string. Is it working? Are we writing an import statement? Are we importing the string from the lang package? Are we importing it? No. But is it still working? Yes. How come? We have already understood without import, nothing will work. But there is a catch here. Do you know what compiler did? Compiler wrote one import statement like this. So what does this mean by? What does this mean by? It means import all the classes and interfaces present in java.lang package. Okay, in every.java file default import statement. Okay, in every.java file, the compiler write a default import statement which imports all the classes or interfaces from the java.lang. In every.java file, the compiler write a default import statement which imports all the classes or interfaces from the java.lang package. Okay, that import statement look like this. Import java.lang.star. Okay, that is the default import statement which is written in every.java file. You write it or you don't write it. Compiler by default writes it. Understood everyone? Do you have any confusion? Which is
So
the default? Yeah.
does it happen only for java.lang specific
Yes,
package
yes, only
structure?
for java.lang. That is the only package which gets imported by default. There is no other package which gets imported.
Okay. And I see that you are when you are importing, you always writing the um, import statement above the main method. So,
Yes, there is a rule for that. I will come to that.
okay.
I'll come to that. Any other doubt, guys? Okay.
I got a question.
Yeah.
So how would I know that the class is available in the java.lang package?
Yes. Uh, so that will come based on the practice.
Okay.
Okay. So based on the practice. It's not like one day we will come to know, okay, in which class it is present. Okay.
Okay.
But there is a trick. I'll show you that. You want to use the array list, but you don't know in which package it is present. Right? Type array to control space. See, it automatically imported. Okay. We need not to write it. It automatically imports. Okay, you keep looking at the line number 12. I just type array and I will do control space. See, automatically it imports. Okay, that is with respect to IDs. We need not to write because I was writing because I want you to make you to understand the concept. You need not to write, it automatically gets imported. Okay, but you should do control space. If you don't do control space, then what you should do is take your mouse pointer on the red line. It shows you import file from java.io package. Select it, it gets imported. Clear? See, it got imported. Clear? So as the days goes, like you will come to know, okay, this is in this package and it is in X package, it is in Y package. Okay.
So does this control space will work for the user-defined class as well, or only
Yes, yes,
for
yes,
the?
yes, yes, yes. So Angular is user defined. QTP, right? So let's
Mhm.
go for QT and space. Important. QTP is equals to new QTP.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
For everything. Control space is the killer. Okay. It kills you if you start using control space from now only. Okay, why? Because we forget the syntax. We do control space, control space, control space. Interviewer will ask, hey, write a program for this. Then you will be thinking, oh, how to write this line. Okay, that's the reason I don't prefer using control space for the beginners. See, once you go to industry, control space you use because yes, that is what we need to do. But if you keep on using control space, right? So when you in the interview, you will not able to come to know, okay, what was that? What was that I was writing?
Correct.
Getting my point? You will
Yeah.
feel that you will be thinking twice, okay, what was that spelling? What was that class name? Right? Sys O, control space, sys control space, sys control space. Then you will be wondering what was that system dot out dot printer println. Okay, will be in that question, right? So
Hmm.
that's why. Until you get some grip, type it. Once you
Okay.
get a grip, you play with control space.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Clear everyone? Any doubt on this? Okay. So we understood so how to write a import statement and moreover when to write a import statement. To write a .java file, there is a structure which we need to follow. To write any .java file, package name, that is the first. Import statements. then the class or interface. So first should be a package name, then should be an import statement, and then should be a class or interface. It can never be interchanged. Okay, I'll show you. So if I remove package name, things will not compile. If there is no package, then it's well and good. If you are writing a class in your package, then there should be a package name. Okay, you can't write a package name after import statement. Package name should be the first line in your file. You can't write your import statements after the class. It won't work. Okay, import statements should be right after the package. If there is no package, then only import statements. If there is no import statement, then only class. Straight away you can go with that. Okay, but these three, if they are present, it is the hierarchy you need to follow. First package name, then the import statement, and then class or interface. Clear, everyone? Any doubt on this? This is the structure you need to follow whenever you are writing a .java file. Clear? Okay. Guys, we have constructing one home. In this home, we have a bedroom. In this bedroom, we have a bathroom A. So this is our home. In our home, we also have one more bathroom B. This is another bedroom. Two bedroom. So what we did, we constructed one more bathroom in our compound and we called it as D. Even though we have a bathroom, our government still go and construct a separate bathrooms in public. Okay, now let us see. So we have a bathroom A. So this is room 1, this is room 2. Who can use bathroom A? The members of room 1 can use bathroom A. Members of room 2 can use bathroom C. Yes or no? This is a private bathroom. Private means only the members of that room can use this bathroom, private bathroom. What about the bathroom B? So the member, whoever belongs to this home, can use bathroom B. Yes or no? Now, bathroom D, who can use? Members of this family, okay, members of your home can use this. Along with that, your relatives also can use it. Okay, that's why you constructed in the compound. So whenever relatives come, they can use this bathroom D. Because you don't allow them to use bathroom A because it's private. Okay, you don't allow them to use bathroom C, it is private again. So what about this? This is public bathroom. Who can use? Everyone can use. So this is protected. This is defined. Okay. So in Java, we have 4 access specifiers. One is public, then protected, default, and private. Any class member declared as private are visible only within that class. Any class member declared as private are visible only within that class. Any class member declared without any access specifier are called as default members. Default members of a class are visible only within that class and within that package. They are not visible outside the package. Protected members, they are visible within the class, within the package, and also outside the package, but only in the case of easy relationship. If there is a easy relationship, then the protected members are accessible, else they are not accessible. Public, they are visible within the class, within the package, and also outside the package. Create one Java project. Package I will create. Okay, com dot my family. Create one more package. Uncle family. Again, my family, I'll create father class. Private private member. I'm a public member. Prior. Any class member declared as private can be accessed only within that class. Okay, any class member declared as private can be accessed only within that respective class. Any class member declared without any access specifiers. Any class member declared without any access specifiers called as default members. Any class member declared without any access specifiers are called as default members. They can be accessed within the class within the same package. So default members are accessible within the class and within the same package. Protected. Any class member declared as protected are any class member declared as protected can be accessed within the class package and also outside the package, but only in the case of okay, protected members are accessible outside the package, but only in the case of inheritance. Directly, no, they are not accessible. Any class member declared as public accessed within the class and also outside the package. Okay, so these are the behaviors of these four access specifiers, guys. Any class member declared as private are visible within the respective class. That's it, they are not visible outside the class. Okay, for your understanding, I'll just write one method here. Void use okay, so father can use the ATM car, bike, cycle. Okay, within the same class, you can use everything. Okay, within the same class, ATM is a private member still accessible. Now I will write one more class in the same package. Son. Void use f dot bike a default member. Sorry, f dot car a default member. F dot bike a private member. F dot cycle. Okay, but f dot ATM no. Why? Because ATM is a private member of a father class. Give we cannot access the private members outside the class. The private members outside the class. Clear? Now, in uncle family, I will create one more. See, guys, don't take this example very seriously. Okay, this is just for making you to understand the concept. That's it. I'll take one auntie class. Okay. So now what I do is I will tell auntie extends father. See, it is not compiling. Why? Because father is a class present in other packets, so I need to import it. Import com dot father. Com dot, okay. Now let me see. ATM, it won't work. Car, it won't work. Let's come for bike, it works. Cycle, it works. Okay. ATM and car are what? ATM is a private member and car is a default member, hence you can't access them. Then what is the other one? Car. Okay, car is a default member. It is accessible only within the respective package. Okay, so bike is a protected member. It is accessible. Why? Because we are inheriting. If you don't inherit, even bike cannot be accessed. Only cycle you can access by creating the object of father. Clear, everyone? So these are the 4 access specifiers so that we are having in Java. Clear? Any doubt on this? Okay. See, I can't paste this example on the chat window. Okay, so you share me your email IDs. I will mail you if you want these examples.
So I have to share our email ID.
Chat window. You just type your email IDs on the chat.
Okay.
So then there's a shy lecture. Right? Oh, I added everyone. Okay, look here guys. So what I will do, I'll right click, I'll tell export. It will be in the zipped format onto a desktop. Access specifiers. Similarly, export Okay, cool. So you got those examples. It will be a zipped file. Just extract the zip file and you can proceed with the things. So do you have any other confusion, guys? Or do you have any questions?
Sir, I forgot to write my email. Can you like CC me, please?
Yeah, fine. Okay, guys. So any other confusion? Cool. Okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a nice time.
Thank you.